Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to archive chats on ChatGPT. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. As ChatGPT becomes an increasingly important tool for tasks ranging from content generation to answering queries, many users rely on the chat history for future reference. However, preserving and archiving this valuable information is critical to ensure you can revisit and use it when needed. So in this video, I will show you how to archive your chat history on your ChatGPT. It's very simple. First of all, you can open your ChatGPT. Now, as you can see in here on the chat section, here's all my chat history on my ChatGPT. And if you want to archive one of them, you can choose, maybe for example, we choose this one. You can see there's like three dots beside that conversation. You can select on that. Now there is an option archive. You can just choose on that. Now you can see the history chat is disappear from it. Now, and also like this, we'll choose this one. Don't forget to select on archive. It's disappear. So where you can find the archive chat history on your ChatGPT. It's very simple. You can go to your account, go to settings, data controls, and here's all your archive chats on your ChatGPT will be saved. It's very simple, right? And if you want to archive all your chats on ChatGPT at once, you can just choose on archive all chat. So all your chats or conversation on ChatGPT will be archived automatically at once. It's very simple, right? So that is how to archive your chat on ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.